Hey everybody, this is World War Guy here today, and today I have a really cool review video. This time it is on a reproduction 1912 US Doughboy Tunic, and I got it from What Price Glory. They run for about 145, 150, and I've been wanting a repro one, so I didn't have to use my original one. And honestly, right out the box, it's a great tunic. Again, this is right out the box. This is not, questioning its durability or performance in the field, just, visual description. So as you can see, on the left, we have the original, and on the right, we have the reproduction. My new one, the reproduction, is a size 38. Well, I believe this one, it feels like a size 37, although I'm 99% sure they didn't have size 37s, but it kind of feels that way, but it's a little smaller. But besides that, they're basically the exact same for what we're going to look at. So first, you can tell the repro tunic is just slightly longer. It's about maybe half an inch. So that's very correct on the length. Getting up closer, the breast pockets, the repro one seems a little larger, but just by a hair. So that's really not a problem. You have the nice, scalloped pocket flaps. Same goes with the bottom ones. See that? Just maybe slightly larger. Nothing, shocking or anything like that. The length of the sleeves are actually just about similar to the original one. Honestly, these seem like the same size except by the chest. Now, one complaint I do have is the neck size. So this one, the neck fits, it fits my neck correctly, just enough to put a finger through so it doesn't choke me, but it's not loose and baggy. This one is a bit too loose. When I buckle it around my neck, there's actually quite enough gap to maybe fit 3 or 4 fingers in. I don't know how that's going to be fixable, but that's the only complaint on the fitting that I have. Something else that I'm not too upset about, but if you're real stickler about it, you might consider this, are the buttons. The buttons are not that detailed. You can see that it wasn't pressed as hard as it could be, I guess. While the original one, you can see it's a lot better, a lot more detail, a lot nicer. On the back of the originals, you have markings, and they're pretty neat. While the reproduction one, they have 2 holes, no markings. So they're cheaper quality. I'm honestly not that upset about it, because at a distance they look practically the exact same. It's only once you get close up to it and you look under it, that's the only time you'll notice it. These do not come with collar disc. These are actually from the original one that I just quickly screwed on there, but they fit, no problem. Then on the inside, you have a really nice lining, same color, just about the exact same color as the original one. You guys can see that. So lining's really nice. You even have that internal pocket that the original ones have. This is a good tunic. Looking closer at the wool, let's go over here. All right, so the wool, you can see it's already been, shaved. It looks like you can already see kind of the weave and everything like that. While the original one you would too, but this one's older. This one has been used and abused. I'm not concerned about it. I think it's, it's still going to hold up. It's not going to cause any problems, but that's just something I've noticed. But besides that, I think it's a really good reproduction tunic. Again, this is out of the box, but already it feels like it's going to last a long time. Another thing I've noticed, I wish my stand could go higher so I didn't have to keep raising up like this, but it seems like they have shoulder pads in here. This one's, I think there's a little bit of padding. It's possible that doesn't feel that way, or it doesn't feel as padded because of age. Well, this one feels like a fat padding is there on the shoulders. I honestly am not sure if that's correct or not, so if anyone wants to correct me on that, please let me know. But just so you know, there is some sort of shoulder padding. So for this tunic costing about $145, $150, I think it's a really good reproduction tunic. I would recommend buying your own size or going one size smaller. But besides that, don't go higher on your size at all. You're going to enjoy this tunic. I enjoyed it. The shipping is quick. It was 2 days. And yeah, that's about it. I have no complaints about it. It looks really nice. And yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, write a comment, share the video for your, fellow Doughboy reenactors, and subscribe to see more cool stuff. But besides that, you guys have a great day.